Hi guys, my name is Eric from Budget Made Simple, and today we're going to go over my January 2021 end of the month spreadsheet. I like to do this at the end of the month to see where I overspent and what happened during the month, and you guys will see January was not a good month. So, in terms of spending. So, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we are using Budget Girl's template. So if you guys want this template, head over to her Etsy page. It's there. It's amazing and it definitely keeps you organized. So we are looking at my income. My allotted was $3,200 and I exceeded that by a total of $437. So my total income for the month was $3,637.50. So that's what I made the month of January, the total. My expenses, rent, insurance, my phone, gas, groceries, spending, restaurant, pets, health insurance, and Healthy Paws, which is my dog's insurance. And all of that is there. As you guys can see, I did go over by a lot, especially my spending. And so did I went over on groceries. Groceries, I try to stay within budget, but I do have a problem with overspending in my categories like a lot of us do, and it's just a matter of discipline. Now, I am working on getting all of this together, but I definitely overspent in some categories. I live with my family, and when I go grocery shopping, it's not only for myself, I also contribute to the household. In terms of my spending, I have my therapist. I just finished my last session with him. Amazing. I am a person who likes to have self-development, and I do seek out therapy and counseling and things like that. I also, my AirPods were $164. I needed a replacement on the fly, which is why I spent that much money. And trust me, I didn't want to, but I needed to for my sanity. So spending, I definitely went over. And like I said, my groceries, I live with my family. I try to keep it between $50 to $60. And yeah, it's just, that's how my categories go. When it comes to my obviously overspending on restaurants, I try my best to figure out to eat at home, and I do that for lunch for work, but it's obviously a problem. So my total expenses, actual expenses, were $2361.93, whereas my original allotted was $1888.08. So definitely overspent there. Now for my debt, I always have Quicksilver, Walmart, PayPal, Barclay, Bank of America, Citi, Capital One, and Best Buy. I don't owe a ridiculous amount on each one of them. Some of them I could pay off right now if I wanted to, but I don't, because I am a firm believer in having established credit. So I keep all of my cards active and I do use them on a regular basis. Some of them I take longer to pay off than others. So that's what you see there. Now with my minimum payments that you guys see there, I usually go, like if it's $30, I'll add another $5. If it's $35, I'll add another $5 to make it $40. And you guys hear Milo, he's going a little crazy right now. So yeah, that's what I do. And the one that I'm focusing on right now is my Capital One, which is, I usually add $100 extra. The total amount is $532 that I paid in debt. So when it comes to my income, the total was $37.50. You minus the expenses and debt, I was left with $743. And I put $500 towards taxes. So I took out my savings. If you guys saw from my original budget, I took out from savings, and but I didn't send anything to savings. I actually sent everything to taxes, because taxes is coming out and I feel like I might be short. So I'm adding money over there. So yeah, that's what's going on there. And the rest of that money is going to be to my rollover and contribute to the $5,000 to $1,000 that I always have in my account. So now we're looking at my other categories: restaurant, pets, gas, groceries, and spending. I obviously have a problem with restaurants. I love McDonald's. I love DoorDashing. And that's just what it is, guys. This is an open and honest budget. Well, not 100% open, because I do have some stuff blacked out that I don't want people to know about. Groceries, like I said, I live with my household, my family, and I do contribute to the household. I don't just buy food for myself. I try to buy milk and eggs and bread for everyone to use, and snacks. My gas wasn't too crazy. It's pretty normal. Okay, so that concludes this month's spreadsheet. I hope you guys see I'm trying to keep myself accountable and seeing, you know, how this month went, and hope to do better more in January. As you guys can also see in my spreadsheet, I do use Budget Girl spreadsheet, and I do want you guys to head over there and grab this spreadsheet if it will help you. As you guys can see, I didn't use all of the little categories, but it's definitely organized and will put you on track. Another thing also, if you guys like this video, please comment, like this video, and subscribe, and stick with me so we can be together on this debt-free journey. Have a good day, guys. See you on the next one.